Okay, for this video, what I want to do is show you how to solve an exponential equation when you can rewrite both sides to have the same base. This method only works if you can make it so that both sides can be written to have the same base, and the base, remember, is the number that the exponent is working on. This is considered an exponential equation because our variable is in the exponent. So the first step that we want to do is we want to rewrite the 125 so that it has the same base. So I want this to be base 5. So basically what I'm asking myself is how many times would I multiply 5 by itself to get 125? And the answer to that is 3. 5 times 5 is 25, and 25 times 5 gives me 125. Okay, so like I said, this method only works if you can rewrite it so that they have the same base. If you can rewrite it so they have the same base, what you're going to do is set the exponents equal to each other and solve the resulting equation. So I would say that 2x plus 1 equals 3, and then I would just solve this equation. So I would subtract 1 from both sides. You don't have to show this work, but just in case you're really confused, I want to make sure that I show all the steps. And then you would divide both sides by 2. So you end up with x equals 1. And it's always a good idea to check your work to make sure that when I plug it back in, that I do get a valid answer. So with this, if I plug it back in, I would have 5 to the 2 times 1 plus 1 power. And we want to know, does that equal 125? This part right here simplifies into 3, and 5 to the 3rd power is 125. So we know that this works. Like I said, you can only use this method if you can rewrite it to be the same base. If you can't, then you have to use logarithms, which I will make sure to address in other videos. As always, thanks for watching. If you have any questions, please let me know. If there are additional topics you need me to cover, please let me know as well. And if you get a chance, please subscribe.